Come on, my little blossom. Oh, I can't wait to plant all these flowers.
Mommy, these flowers are gonna look so pretty in the garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you made it.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Maggie.
Elmo, Louie. Oh, welcome to the Community Garden Day.
We are so happy to volunteer.
Well, I'm so happy that you're here.
Yeah, Elmo's really excited to help in the garden, but, Elmo feels something else, too.
Well, what's that, Elmo?
Well, Elmo's going to a new friend's birthday party later, and Elmo's tummy feels like it has butterflies inside.
Oh, butterflies in the tummy. We all know that feeling.
Are you feeling nervous, Elmo? Because when we're nervous, we feel unsure about something.
Oh, yeah, Elmo feels nervous. And Elmo feels excited to help out at the garden, too.
Oh, you're feeling two different feelings at the same time.
Yeah, Elmo is.
Yes, that happens a lot to kids and grown-ups.
It does?
Well, sure. Like right now, I feel happy that I get to spend time with you, Maggie, and Abby in the garden. And I'm also feeling disappointed because I know that we can't stay here very long. It's important that we talk about this because there are so many different kinds of feelings.
That's right. Just like there's so many different kinds of flowers in the garden.
Oh, and just like we take care of flowers, we can take care of our feeling.
Well, Elmo still feels nervous.
Oh, Elmo, would you like to take some big, deep belly breaths?
Oh, yeah. When I feel nervous, that's what I do.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do some belly breathing.
Okay.
Okay. Elmo's feeling better. Yeah, Elmo's not as nervous about his new friend's birthday party.
Yeah, the garden is such a calming place.
Yeah, I feel good just being surrounded by all these flowers.
Hey, Elmo knows. Elmo could draw some flowers on Elmo's friend's birthday card.
Oh, boy. Flowers, friends, and feelings. What a day.
Sure is. All right, let's get to volunteering.
Let's see some flowers so we can
should we
draw.
start?
Okay, I have some snap
Now,
pursuits
if
over
my
here that I
googling served me
put in.
well,
Oh,
these
and- there's
daffodils
some
need a lot
marigold
of sun.
berries.